You can imagine that being a flight attendant these days is probably a pretty stressful job. Sometimes you'll read in the headlines about altercations in flight, where individuals are having to be escorted off the flight via police and whatnot. And I find these videos just so disturbing, and my heart really goes out to the flight attendants who have to put up with this. I always like to bring in my carry-on a few of these $5 Starbucks gift cards to give to the flight attendants. They have a really tough job. I'm sure they never know how each flight is going to go, but you can really make a difference by just giving back a little. Each time that I've given out these gift cards, I really don't expect anything in return, but they just really treat you like gold, and the smile across their face is just so rewarding. Next time you travel too, just think about using kind words like please and thank you, and give someone a compliment. Maybe if they're, look like they're having a bad day. Travel can be a very stressful environment, especially when you're traversing all the stages at the airport, having to go through TSA and check-in and all these type of things. So just try to up your kindness game, and you'll see what a huge difference it makes.